Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80d03002 on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting this type of error code, then I will show you how to fix this. For that, once you have to click on Start menu, then type on the search bar, then type here troubleshoot setting. Click on the troubleshoot setting. Guys, under systems, you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here troubleshoot. Just click on the troubleshoot. Click on the other troubleshooters. Again you need to scroll down. You can see here Windows Store app. Just click on the run. After that, just click on the next. Again you need to wait for some time. After completion of this process, just click on the close. After that, close this window. Again you have to click on the start menu, then type here settings. Click on the settings. You can see here apps. Just click on that. Click on the apps and features. Click on the search box, then type here store. Click on the Microsoft Store. You can see here 3 dot. Just click on that. Click on advanced option. You need to scroll down a little bit. Guys, you can see here reset. Under reset you will find two options. One is repair, one is reset. First you try to repair. If it works, if it doesn't work, then try to reset. First we'll click on the repair. Guys, after repairing, check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try to reset from here. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details. Just click on the reset. Guys, after completion of this process, just close this window, and once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80d03002 on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.